This view is literally insane to me. Hi guys! I am walking to Gimmelwald right now. Cute. Yeah, I was just in Murren actually, and then I'm walking to Gimmelwald right now. It's about a 30-minute walk, and I was just so in awe with the nature that I just like totally forgot to film. But this is the background. You see that? Ooh, how do I switch this camera? But yeah, I'm just gonna keep walking. I think I'm like halfway there. It's supposed to take 30 minutes. But I just came across this really cute cat. It was a Russian blue. It was my first time ever seeing one and petting one, and it was so soft. But yeah, I wanted to do the Via Ferrata, but it's supposed to rain later today, so I think it's not the best time to do it right now. Hopefully I can come back on a future date to do the Via Ferrata, because that's something that I really want to do. So yeah, I'll check back in when I reach Gimmelwald. You guys, literally no words. This place is so beautiful. Oh my god. Just reached Gimmelwald. I'm gonna sit here and eat my lunch. Oil! This view is absolutely insane. Wow. It's so crazy. It's like everywhere you look, you see mountains. Right around the corner, you see more mountains. And they're pretty high up here too. Wow. That's cool. It's raining right now, you guys. Good thing I brought this and bought this rain jacket. I'm not really sure where I'm heading to. I'm gonna follow along to Gimmelwald. So it started raining. I was just at Gimmelwald, but I'm thinking of just walking down to, actually I don't really know what it's called, Stechelberg or something. It's about 1 hour from here, so I'm just gonna walk down and then maybe take the bus back to Murren, or sorry, Wengen. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, that's so pretty. Surprisingly, today is the day after the marathon, and I actually don't feel sore at all. So maybe I didn't work hard enough. I wish I had pushed a little bit harder. I'm just a little bummed that I had the elevation sickness. Hopefully I get a chance to come back to challenge the track again and make it the next time. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wow. This hill is actually a little bit steep, so be careful if you do this trail. I'm wearing cloud moccasins right now, and it's holding up pretty well because it does have like some traction on the shoe. But I think I would recommend wearing hiking shoes. It would be a lot better. Ow. It kind of hurts on the knees going downhill. Maybe like hiking sticks. Ooh. Ow. My knee. Maybe hiking sticks will be better. But yeah, we're gonna keep going down this way, I guess. I think that's where the people went. So I hope it's that way. I'm not sure where I'm going, but I'll go this way. Maybe we'll get lost. Who knows? But that's life, right? I'm sure we'll figure it out along the way. I think that's how I really go about life. Like, more spontaneous. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I feel like I don't prepare enough in advance, and I just deal with the problems when it comes to me. It's pretty cool. Okay. Definitely hiking shoes next time. It's not raining as hard down here, so that's good. And then we continue. I must be a house down there. I'm going the right way. Oh, there's something. Okay. There were these like two other hikers in front of me, and I was a little bit scared because I lost them, or I thought I lost them, but I see them now, so I feel a little bit better because honestly, back there it seemed a little scary. Entering the forest alone, but I kind of just see them like right up ahead, so I'm gonna try my best to catch up to them. Ooh, these steps are pretty high. I'm glad we're not going uphill. Oh god, almost slipped. Oh, see, there they are. They're right there. So, phew, good. Oh my god, there's a river down there. That's so cool. See, this is why I love going off, no plans, just spontaneous things. Because we get to see like a lot of the hidden gems along the way. So it's kind of cool. So that's why I don't really follow any guides or set up a huge itinerary when I travel. I kind of just go along with how my heart feels and just go there. But yeah, see, we're almost down there. That wasn't bad. I'm like sweating, but that was honestly not too bad. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, and then you can stop along the way to enjoy your view. Let's keep going. Ooh, so many rocks. Almost slipped. So green here. Ooh. Yay! People! Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Ready? Wow. Alright, we just made it down. It's about 35 minutes this way, across the river to, I forgot the name. It starts with the S. Maybe I'll like write it down here or something. Alright, and we trek on. I see the hikers, so I'm just gonna follow them. Please don't go too far. We just went to the other side. Oh my god, these uphills. I can't do hills anymore. This just reminds me of yesterday. That was brutal. Whew. Hills are not cool. I'm across this little bridge or creek. Look at that mountain. Wow. Wow. Okay. Keep going. Alright, so I changed my camera setting. It was originally in widescreen. So this is regular. I think this will look a lot better. Oh god. Look at this one. It's so pretty. Wow, and look at the trees. They're so straight. Dude, I should have totally used this regular mode instead of that widescreen earlier because I feel like the picture might have been distorted. So this one looks so much nicer. Alright, which way do we go? Oh, I can tell you where I'm going. Okay, so I want to go to Stechelberg over there. Right here. So we were originally in Murren, and then I walked over to Gimmelwald. And I just walked down to this area to go down to Stechelberg. All right, you guys, we made it down. Just a few more steps, and then we'll be at the valley. Wow, isn't that crazy? We were like all the way up there and then we walked down the mountain down to the valley. It's crazy. And then we can eat my lunch afterwards. Wow, that's pretty. Whew. So I decided to sit down on a bench and then finish my lunch over here. So pretty. Yeah, cheers! We finally made it down into the valley. That's where we were walking from. So that's Murren right there. And then above this cliff is Gimmelwald. And I walk down the forest down there, and then we're here now at the end of the valley. There's the river.